Okay, so now you have the Facebook pixel installed on your website, which we can note here that now it's active and live, what we have. So now what you can do is you can now retarget people or remarket people who have visited your website. So next time that person goes into your website and logs into Facebook or Instagram, we're showing your ads to try and scoop up those loose ends. Now this works whether they came in from a Facebook ad, whether they came in from SEO, came from a Google ad, wherever it may be. This tracks all traffic onto the website. You can still show this ad to anybody. So let me show you how to set this up in the Ads Manager. So note we have this website here. It's installed. So we go into the same ad account where this is all connected into. Now, we have the campaign structure already set up just for the length of the video, make everything easier. We always label all of our campaigns, ad sets, and ads just to organize everything because we do run a lot of ads within the ad account. So what we like to do with retargeting stuff is we love to use traffic as the objective. Just because we found we're doing conversions, unless there's a lot of people visiting the website, it usually doesn't work. So we tend to keep retargeting or remarketing ads traffic objectives. So we go down to here. Now for daily budget, you don't need to spend a lot. This can be done at $2 a day, $3 a day. For this one, we have been running a lot of traffic to the website recently, so we're gonna bump up to $5 per day. And what that's gonna allow us to do is, since there's such a small audience, like think about how many people visit your website within the month. And then compare it to some of the audiences you might target in a cold targeting campaign. It's gonna be a lot different. So you don't need to spend a whole lot to visit or to really target those, 3, 4, 500 people per month that are visiting your site. So a low budget work for these kind of ads. And then, so this is really where magic happens right on this section here. We already have, again, the location set up, the age set up. Age you can kind of play around with, but this is typically what I like to run around there, keep things a little bit more open and broad. But to make a campaign or an ad that goes just for web visitors, this is where we're going to go into custom audiences, go create new, and then we do custom audiences. And then you're going to be shown this menu. It says, where is this data being sourced from? So website, you can do other things, a lot of things we can go over. You can you can show your ad to people who watch certain lengths of videos they watch, in particular videos. You can show these ads to people who have maybe engaged with a certain post or something on Facebook. There's all different things they can do, but for the sake of this video, we're going just your website. Click next. And then we have the source, which is Envy's Pixel. We do have an inactive one, so make sure you do select the correct one. And what we like to do, retention, this is how I select the time frame. So people who have visited this website within the past 30 days. You can go a little bit more out to 45 days, but we typically like to see the most conversions in that 30-day range, just because if someone visits a website from, let's say, 3 months ago, they're probably not going to go and convert at this point for a reason. So make sure we have this audience name. So this is a website visitor and 30 days. You can use whatever naming system you want. This is what we use. It's simple, it's easy. I can read this web visitor 30, because when you go to select the next audience next time, you can save this and that's all labeled right there. So we'll just create that. Okay, hit done. And now what's going to happen is this ad is not going to show to everybody who had visited the website in the past 30 days, this website in particular. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how you set it up, the campaign. The rest you can go through into the next. You can create your ad in here and go through that way. But this is how to run ads to people who visit your website. And you do the same thing with landing pages. You can do the same thing with your Facebook page. But I hope this helps. Any questions, as always, feel free to reach out.